Howdy YouTube audience and everyone across cyberspace. Thanks for tuning into the WatchBox review today. So I'm not going to do a watch review today, but it's come to my attention that the WatchBox review is under fire, and wanted to dispel some of the myths and I guess some of the separate fact from fiction here on some of my video reviews. So as a mechanical engineer working in the tech industry, I take great pride in the data points I present in my videos, and I take great pride in my measurement method when I say a watch is maybe so big or so tall or such and such diameter or so. So recently I've come under fire for my measurement method for the Citizen Orca dive tool that I reviewed 2 or 3 weeks ago, specifically with the rubber dive strap and the dimensions of it. So for all my reviews, I use a Mitutoyo digital caliper. I set it to the millimeter scale setting, and it's accurate to down to about a 2-place decimal. Although I generally round up, I always believe that if I'm going to favor on the side of safety, I guess, and say, hey guys, it's a little bit bigger, so that way when you get the watch, you're not shocked, I guess, or stunned by the overall size of it. So I always take my decimal points and kind of round them up, although in this particular case I kind of didn't. So anyways, let's just dispel the myth. Okay, so first of all, the overall strap width here at the lug where it attaches the case, as you guys can see for yourselves, and you tell me. So the overall size of it, and I'm not measuring the case. I'm not really measuring the case, mind you. I'm just measuring the strap. I'm not measuring the case. I'm just measuring the kind of the rubber area of the strap. Okay, it's about 25.63 millimeters across. That's not the titanium case, which is actually a little bit bigger. That's actually the rubber shoulder there on the strap. So again, at 25.6, again, I like to round up a little bit and play it safe and tell you guys it's 26 millimeters across. Now, of course, I could get into decimal points and actually start reading things out to the accurate decimal, but that's just pointless, I think, and it's such a minute difference. And at that point, I am exposing myself to more scrutiny and more measurement error and accuracy error, so I just round everything up and play it safe. Say, hey guys, it's a 26 millimeter wide strap at the shoulder. Okay, now this end of the strap with all the holes in it here, it actually measures, I think, about 19 millimeters. 19.59, about 19.59 millimeters. Okay, so the error commentary that I have in my video, I probably should have followed my standard protocol and just rounded that up to about 20 millimeters. But I saw that 19.48, 19.45, okay, 19.55, 19.6, okay. Now flipping the watch over and measuring the other side with the buckle, at the buckle end, it measures a little bit bigger. Okay, it's actually 20 millimeters, almost exact. Okay, so this side of the buckle, or the buckle side of the strap, is actually just a little bit bigger. 20.05, there you go. Okay? So I don't want to get into a pissing match with anybody here over my watch review videos, but basically this is kind of how I measure and how I gather my data points. So I don't actually want to do this in the course of a video review because I think it really slows things down. So I go ahead of time, I prepare for my videos, and I actually kind of script them out. And I'll go ahead and take measurements on the watch and just script them out on a crib note or a cue card or whatever, and I'll just, when I'm doing my videos, I'll just read off of this and take down my measurements here. So again, all these numbers are pretty much, for the most part, rounded up. So these are some data points for an Invicta watch review that I'm going to be doing in about 2 or 3 weeks. So anyhow, that's pretty much it here for the WatchBox review today, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.